welcome back to our YouTube channel. I am Sandra from Makesales, and today I'll be taking you on a quick guide on how to add your settlement account. So once you have registered on the Makesales platform and your account has been approved, the next thing would be for you to add your settlement account, because without that you cannot receive money nor send money out. If you click on this action button now, it will ask you to add your settlement account. So now to add your settlement account, you can either click here to do that, or on your settings button, you navigate to the settings. Once you click on it, the page is displayed and you navigate down to the bank details button. Once you click on the bank details button and the page is displayed, there you will be asked to fill in your bank name and your account number. And you wait for your account to be confirmed. Once your name has been confirmed, you can click on the add account button. And just like that, your settlement account has been added to your dashboard. And also, if you would like to change it, you can also click the change account button, and you can change the bank name and also the account number. And once you're done, you can click the save new account details. So that is how easy it is to add your settlement accounts on the Mixers platform. Until next time, see you in our next tutorial. Bye.